What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. So vibes fam, today I am making some curry pepper steak. My, look at this beautifulness. Look good body. Oh my goodness. And this is it, all seasoned. So it started out this way first, right? So I'll link the video down below of how I seasoned it. It looks so good and it's not even cooked. But yeah, let's just start the cooking process. So here I'm adding some oil, okay, and then I'm going in with my favorite curry powder. Listen, step to the front of the line with your favorite curry powder if you have one. By the way, link down below and tell me, not link, I mean, comment down below and tell me, like, do you have a favorite curry powder and what is it? So yeah, I'm adding my curry powder and of course I'm just burning it, not literally, right? Just getting the little cooking process started on the curry, right? So go ahead and I'm gonna use like a pack and a half, really. So if you're taking your curry powder from like a bigger jar or something, then you can use like a tablespoon and a half, right? Remember, it's red meat, and red meat, it tends to, if you don't add a lot of the, let's say curry, the color is going to show, like it is going to not look curry. So yeah, go ahead and add your nice seasoned steak. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. And what we are doing, we are searing it, right? So we want to get heat on all of this nice steak. So go ahead and stir and stir and stir. You're gonna stir until it starts looking like it's cooking. So yes, stir it, vibes fam, stir it. Oh my goodness, look at the close-up. Look at it looking pretty. It is coming on, yes. So stir up everything. And then what we are going to do, by the way, if you like a lot of oil in your pot, go ahead and add more. I don't, and I'll be adding some water soon. Just gorgeous. So what I'm doing, making a hole in the middle of the pot, and the container that I seasoned the steak in, I added some hot water and I'm pouring it in. So I'm doing it kind of a little bit at a time because I don't want to drown the steak, right? We don't want to drown the curry steak. So I'm adding it, then I see that it needs some more, then I push the steak to the side and I add some more water. So yeah, just try to zhuzh it around, and then if it's good, as in if you think you have enough something there, then yeah. Oh, I added some pimento seeds, and then we're gonna stir it around. Sorry, if you have enough water as you believe, then yeah, we're going to cover it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes just to get the cooking process going. So cover it for 30 minutes. And here, these are the rest of my ingredients. So vibes fam, this is it after 30 minutes. I'm gonna give it a stir. Oh, look at that thick lush gravy. My God, show them. Yes. So vibes fam, I'm testing it a little bit. See, it is approaching perfection, but it's not ready yet. So I'm adding some more water, and as I said, I'm taking it a little bit at a time because I'm not using no cornstarch or anything in it. If you drown the steak, then you're going to have long water for gravy. I'm showing you more pieces that juking some more pieces to show you that it's cooked. So now I'm adding some more water, and I'm going to cook it for another 30 minutes. But before that, let me add some onion, some thyme, and some scallion or green onion, and one nice fat scotch bonnet pepper. Yes. So you want to stir it up, combine everything, and I'm getting all these flavors locked in for the last 30 minutes. Oh my goodness. Yes. So add a little bit more water, as I said, a little bit at a time, just to say So this looks good, and I'm adding about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Cover it for 30 minutes. Vibes fam, that looks so good. So I'm showing you again. You see how easy it just juke onto the fork? Yes. So this is cooked. It is done, did it done. But guess what? So you stir and you taste. Make sure as you're cooking, you're going along, you taste. So I'm adding a little bit more water, right? Because I love gravy, by the way, and I need gravy. It's a necessity in my plate. So Vibe Sam, I'm actually just going to give it 10 more minutes. So this is it after the 10 minutes, and look at it. This is more like it. I really like how soft this is here. So I'm adding all the colors of the rainbow with the peppers, red, yellow, and green. And if you have blue and just kidding. So yeah, go ahead and stir it up. And guess what, Vibe Sam? You can turn off the fire here and leave it alone. Oh, look at the gravy. Oh my goodness, so thick. I'm telling you, just take your time and add the water. Oh, so good. So I actually covered it, Vibe Sam, just for 2 minutes, just 2 lovely minutes, right? To get the peppers, just a little bit of flavor on the pepper combined with the, you know, with the steak. But look at it, Vibe Sam, so beautiful. It looks so good. It tastes even better. I promise you it tastes so good. You have to, you must, you shall needs to. I'm just stirring it up and showing you, and you know already. Look how the gravy come out strong. It looks so good. And I just went ahead and put it in a little plate. Nothing special. Just put it in a little plate to show you what Vibes fam. I'm telling you, you need to try this curry pepper steak. Try it. You will not, and listen, you will not be, what I must say, I'm tired. I can't think straight. You will not be disappointed. That's the word. But thank you so much for watching, Vibe Sam. Let me know what you would have it with, right? But thank you. God bless you.